This is garlic. You can see it, right? And this one is stubborn grass. Now, I'll show you the magic of this. Just two things: stubborn grass and garlic. Just watch. Hello everyone, this is my first video, and if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscription button for tutorials like this. If you are suffering from chronic infection like STD, toilet infections, and all of that, like especially you experiencing itching in the private parts all the time, you're scratching you're scratching the private part all the time, this is the solution. Now, the prescription on how to take this, you are going to have something like this. I think this is okay. This is too big, so we're going to be using this, but you're going to peel it like this. You peel it back, let it be smooth like this, like no back. Now, how do you apply this? You are going to pick the seeds, this stubborn grass, the seeds, like green seeds. Pick 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just giving you an example, 6. But on a normal day, you are to pick like from 10 to 15 seeds, stubborn grass seeds. These are the seeds you are going to pick. And mind you, there are some yellow ones. I think they are not here. There are some that are very yellow in color. Don't pick those ones. You are to pick the green ones, the green seeds. This is another one here. I'll pick and count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boy, on a normal day, it's supposed to be like from 10 to 15 seeds. Then you have something like this. Should be bigger than this. Now, method of use. How to take this? If you know you're suffering from infections, like especially itches and then STD, this is going to cure it permanently. Believe you me, it has happened to me. I have used it and it has worked for me. That is why I'm trying to share it with you right now. Now, very early in the morning, like when you wake up in the morning, don't take anything. Don't take anything. You're not allowed to take food as you're just waking up early in the morning, as at around 5, 6, 7. So you're waking up. This is the first food you should take. Now, after picking up all the seeds and then wash them and everything, what do you do? Now, this is too big for you because I just selected just 7. I'm going to cut it. So I just call it up now. Just cut it down. Too big. Now, in the morning, after selecting everything, wash them. Early in the morning, you just select everything. What you do? Watch me. Once you're done, let me add another one. Okay. And then let me add another one again. I've already washed it. That's why you see me. I don't. Now watch me. I'm chewing. It doesn't hurt. I'm chewing out. It does not hurt. It does not have any side effect. This is natural. These are natural. Now, when you take it in the morning, before you eat food, you take this in the morning. Then you wait for like about 30 minutes to 1 hour before taking anything. If you want this to be very highly effective, after eating dinner, then you do exactly the same thing. And after taking it, you are not allowed to take any other thing. Just go to bed. I promise you, you do this like 5 to 6, 7 days. You come back to comment section and you say, "Thank you, it's my first TV." Boom. Stick to it. Don't do what I did not ask you to do. This one, I finish eating it. Nothing is in my mouth. I'm telling you what has worked for me, and if you try it, it will work for you. So this embarrassment of itching in public, to stop permanently to your call is when you go back to where you took that same infection from. You understand? So if you have a partner, you have to take it together with your partner. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for all of this. So much you don't know. I'm ready to share with you. Thank you guys. Peace.